graduate Evanston. And we've got the newly modernized elevator. It is completely unrecognizable from what it used to be. This used to be an old Otis black button, but clearly not anymore. Oh, I guess that guy decided to wait. So this thing used to be a black button. This originally was the Homestead Hotel for a while. It changed and got a big renovation, was changed to the Graduate, but they kept the elevators original. That I guess only lasted about a year or so. Because according to a hotel employee, they broke down. Oh, also, quickly while we're up here, I don't want to waste too much time. This kind of looks similar. That elevator sign is still there. I'm very happy to say that. But it's a bummer the old Otis is gone, but honestly, I hate to say it, but the thing was kind of on its last legs. What I was going to say was after about probably only a year of the hotel being open, the elevators both, I guess, not at the same time, but pretty close together, just quit working. And the hotel, this 8-floor hotel, was without elevators, and I guess they couldn't fix them. Something happened, they didn't have the parts, but I was talking to a hotel guy, and I guess it was they were broken for a while, to the point that he was surprised when I told him they were actually working before, because he was like, they were never working as long as I worked here. And yeah, so it's no surprise that they're now modernized. It's a shame though. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just doing a project.
No, that's okay.
Have a good one. I kept the letterbox, but yeah, the elevator is gone. That thing is... Dude, actually, they kept the original hall indicator. That's cool. But yeah, I mean, that's basically the only original thing about this elevator, sadly. It doesn't even look like the numbers light up. But anyway, that will be it.